standing proud testimony to the heyday of Awadh, the reign of Asaf-ud-Daula, is the Bara Imam Bara of Lucknow. Built to provide for famine relief, the monument eloquently narrates a glorious period of Indian history. The patronage of Asaf-ud-Daula and the subsequent rulers of Awadh turned their capital into a cultural bastion of North India, a liberal and progressive modern society which subsumed all sectarian identities to forge a composite culture. Here was an oriental township that welcomed the new thinking from the West without cloning it. The erstwhile town of Lakhanpur on the banks of the river Gomti evolved into the bustling capital of Awadh, called Lucknow.
आमदनी के ज़राए कम हो गए, अखराजात वैसे ही रहे। अपनी इज्जत भी बरकरार रखना थी, अपना रखरखाव भी रखना था, अपनी वज़ादारी भी कायम रखना थी। अब हुआ ये कि नवाबीन खामोशी से अपनी जायदाद, अपनी ज्वेलरी, अपना और असासा धीरे धीरे तलफ करते गए, तबाह करते गए।
By the time Awadh rose to prominence, British traders were beginning to find firm footing in India. Contrary to popular belief, these men were enamored by the lifestyle led by the Nawabs and often tried to emulate it. However, as business plans transformed into imperial designs, a value system was imported from Europe, and history began to be written with this colored perception.
This whole attempt to change Lucknow's identity to a quote-unquote a very dubious kind of respectability, this has actually eroded the foundations of Lucknowi culture.
It was Muzaffar's film that captured Lucknow's rich culture on celluloid. Even for Indians, Umrao Jan was to become a window to Nawabi Lucknow. The courtesan Umrao Jan Ada has come to personify the gracious elements of this period, whose refinement patronized the liberal arts, was evolved enough to accept women as equals and accorded the courtesan a position of respect and dignity.
हमारे जो परबाबा थे ठाकुर प्रसाद दुर्गा प्रसाद जी, उनका बहुत ही नाम उस वक्त रहा, और जो मेरे पास घर है आजकल गोलागंज में, झावलाल पुल, भैरोजी रोड, गोलागंज, वो मकान भी उसी वक्त का दिया हुआ है नवाब साहब का।
A century or more later, master filmmaker Satyajit Ray was to adapt a Hindi short story by the renowned author Premchand, delineating the epochal events that were to follow.
न कोई गोली चलेगी, न कोई जंग होगी। वाजिद अली शाह अपना वादा पूरा करेंगे। आज से 3 दिन बाद 7 फरवरी 1856 को अवध पर अंग्रेजी कब्जा हो जाएगा। जाने आलम अपनी महबूब लखनऊ नगरी को हमेशा के लिए छोड़कर चले जाएंगे, और लॉर्ड डलहौजी आखिरी चेरी हड़प कर चुका होगा।
In the post-colonial evolution of India, Begum Akhtar provided an emphatic validation for India's seminal ethos of composite culture, an ethos that was proclaimed in the erstwhile Awadh and Lucknow.
अंगना तो पर्वत भयो